Developed by Apurity Connect, Rubus is the smartphone app for iManage. Whether the user has iOS or Android Enterprise, Rubus will provide features that will increase productivity, billing, and save time. The Rubus application allows mobile workers to simply and intuitively send and file emails directly to iManage from their email app. File from inbox to an iManage matter or assignments. Save time by filing as you go, even if you're offline. And view and edit documents and open NRLs. Apurity are providing solutions that make mobile workers more productive. We help customers to develop and implement strategies and solutions that securely and effectively boost the productivity of their mobile employees. Understand how with 3 solutions and the integration of an existing UEM solution, Apurity can increase billable hours and productivity.